Alright guys, I got one that's probably going to bring $1 million, but I wanted to drive it and look at it just in case. 2007 Honda CRV EXL with leather and a roof. I mean, y'all, something like this will bring $8,000. And you know, in today's market, it's pretty clean. The leather's in good shape too. Just a little bum on the armrest, but you can buy covers on eBay. Not bad. You know, maybe a little trash in the back. Headliner clean. All windows work. I figure everything on this thing is going to work. I'm checking the heated seat now because that's pretty important right now. All right. Will it move? Now, if it doesn't. Okay, someone has set the damn parking brake. And how do you release it? Seriously? Man, why would somebody set the freaking parking brake? People do shit around here to sabotage things to keep you from driving them so that nobody will bid on it. Ooh, the crowd's getting here now. Yeah, this is a pretty clean little unit here. Oh yeah, the Audis and the Volkswagen people are here getting them babies warmed up. Put down the window. I want to hear the engine. I'm sure it's fine. Oh yeah, sounds like a Honda. 132,000 miles for an 07 is stupid low. I mean, it really is. Pretty strong. Yeah, she runs good. I'm a little too tall for one of these. Do our little walk around here. Check our AC. Heated seats working good. Max AC. Come back and check that in a second. Let's do a walk around and pop up the hood. Well, you can see a little man, that armrest would have to be redone too. Well, hell, you can't pop the hood. There is nowhere to pop it. Oh, there it is. Look at this. This is a little doll baby. Got Michelin tires. Immaculate paint. Look at those headlights for 07. Can you say garage kept? Garage kept. A freaking Honda battery. Man. Dealer service. Up, we've got a bum spot. Yeah, that could probably all be pieced back together. The fender liner kind of popped out. Not a big deal. Wheels aren't, oh dude, now this blows. Man. But I promise you, it won't slow down the bidding. She's nice though, otherwise. Grandparent Catholic school. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Let me get a picture of the outside. I want to get a picture. Alright, just wanted to get that shot so I can send a picture to my brother. He's gonna be back at his computer looking at some of this stuff with me. Oh yeah, this is a dream. She's a doll. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.